Hello guys, today we learn what is the private key, what is the public key, how to work encryption and decryption. So let's go to our video. Public key and private key overview. Public key and private key are used in cryptography to secure data. Public key used to encrypt the data and private key used to decrypt the data. So how to work this? I want to send secret message to you. This is me. This is you. You are in another country. I am in another country. So I need to send message through the internet. So I sent this message, subscribe my channel, but you received do not subscribe my channel. Why? Because some another person connect to internet and he stole our data and modify it and again upload to internet. So you received the wrong data. So how to face this problem? That I need encryption. Encryption is like turning readable message into secret code that only certain people can read. This is like this. Subscribe my channel. I put into the encryption algorithm. The encryption algorithm output like this. It's a unreadable data. So this unreadable data also called as ciphertext. Okay, let's go to same example again. This is me and this is you. You have a public key and private key. You upload your public key in your secure place on internet. So you are only know the where is it. So you give me the permission to use it for me. So I can use that public key to encrypt my message. So I send it through the internet to you. So only you have a private key. So only you can decrypt the message. If any attacker attack the message, so he don't know what is the meaning of the message because it's an unreadable message. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel if you learned something. Thank you.